What if I told you that you could own a piece of a $5 million apartment complex, even if you only have a few $1,000s in your bank account? This closely guarded wealth-building secret is known as real estate syndication, and it is exactly how massive commercial deals are funded every single day. In a syndication, a lead investor known as the general partner does all the hard work of finding the property, securing the bank loan, and managing the daily renovations. To fund the massive down payment, they legally pool money together from a group of passive, limited partners who simply write a check and wait for their returns. As a limited partner, you get to enjoy the incredible monthly cash flow and massive tax benefits of commercial real estate without ever plunging a toilet or dealing with an angry tenant. It is the ultimate form of truly passive income because your money is working around the clock while a professional management team handles the actual physical asset. You can even use the funds sitting inside your self-directed retirement accounts to invest in these syndications completely tax-free. Let's break down the exact legal structure of a syndication deal so you can see how safely your investment is protected before you ever write that first check.